Hello Humans, I is doing, some drawing because that's fun. And seriously though, I got scammed out of beta tail. And well yeah, that's oof. Let me do my usual oof. I draw I'm using something different. So that's oof. This is a bit too big, so I'm using the unlimited paint 3D because oof. And I don't know. This is basically how I draw nowadays. It's cool. Furry. It's so cool. You don't know what I'm doing? I'm gonna be reading YouTube comments because cool. And I don't know. So yeah. I really want to get a flipper clip. By the way, just my intro. I've only got one comment, which is I like the first one, which is by Bubbly Dreams. Nice. And my friend has 21k, which is so cool. And I'm jealous, as hell. So oof. And it's I don't know. Oh well. By the way, where I did Animal Jump free intro no text, that's kind of a lie because it says subscribe. But does that count? I don't know. So oof. He wants me to attempt realism later. Well, I don't know. Look, it's my story. This is basically what I've been drawing. You know what? Why don't I just... Yep, we do. Look at that. It's actually pretty cool. Okay, so what shall we draw? Let's try draw... No, that's a bit too thick, isn't it? Okay, so let's, what shall we draw? Let's try and attempt realism. Looks like that's cool and I love it. I've always loved realism, so that's cool. Okay, right, there we go. That's the number one part of my character. And oof, I just pressed red. No, I meant to get green. There we go. That's my collar. My lovely collar. That's my little spikes. Yes, I have changed my outfit. Which means that intro thing that I made won't come in handy, so oof. I say oof a lot, and Doritos. One thing that you should know about me is that I say those words a lot. It's they're cool. And I don't know. I know what I'm doing now. I'm just trying to draw my character in Animal Jam. Actually, my character has a black top hat. Well, my new one does. I think it's pretty cool. Top hats in Animal Jam are really cool, honestly. I have the black one. and this needs to get like right down. Right, so I can try do these. Probably go with that, so that's kind of blended in. I don't know. But like, I think I failed the attempt. It's a good try though. Decent try. Colour in the eyes with the green. Then we also need to do the cupids as well. Because my new outfit has green glossy cupids. Then we also need to like get a bit darker for like the other set of cupids that I'm gonna draw. Then we get the white. Maybe for like the glossy. Just for like, I think I failed. And I 100% know that I wear leg warmers on my wolf. There. Okay, that's me. That's my wolf. Oh, that's my new wolf. Anyways. Right. Scary. AJ. More. Jamal, there we go. I tried to get it in, but like I couldn't, so oof. And I'm gonna end this here because like, yay. And goodbye.